Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You need to start by confirming your Apple ID is signed into Messages and FaceTime. That authorizes activation. Once done, make sure a strong Wi-Fi or cellular link exists and toggle airplane mode for 10 seconds to reset radios. Next, set date and time to set automatically because activation can fail if time mismatches Apple servers. Finally, reboot the iPhone. A full restart clears temporary states and forces the activation handshake to run anew. You should now dive into account and carrier details to resolve activation faults. Sign out of your Apple ID in Settings, restart the device, then sign back in to refresh authentication tokens and push certificates. Make sure your carrier allows SMS and that you have credit or an active plan because iMessage activation sometimes sends a verification SMS. Also check for and install any iOS or carrier settings updates. These often fix protocol or certificate incompatibilities that block activation. You're at the finish line. If iMessage still won't activate, reset network settings to clear corrupted configs. Remember, this removes saved Wi-Fi networks and VPN settings. Once complete, connect to a different Wi-Fi or swap in another SIM to determine whether the problem is carrier-related or device-specific. If activation still fails, collect system diagnostics and contact Apple support or your carrier. Provide the activation timestamps and error messages so they can trace server logs and resolve any account or provisioning issues quickly.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.